What is music? In one sense, this is an easy dash. What is music? So this is an easy. Options are volume, question, examples, knowledge, issue, classes. This is an easy question because यहाँ पर question mark है. What is music? So this is an easy question. Even the least musical among us can recognize pieces of music when we hear them and name a few canonical dash. देखो यहाँ पर a few मतलब हमारा आंसर प्लूरल होना चाहिए. Canonical means according to rule. तो even the least musical among us can recognize pieces of music when we hear them and name a few canonical. Plural में options हैं examples or classes. तो classes doesn't suit here. A few canonical examples. We know there are different kinds of music, and even if our dash of music is restricted, we know which kinds we like and which kinds we do not. There are different kinds of music, and even if our dash of music, knowledge of music. देखो तीनों आंसर्स कितने easy थे. What is music? This is an easy question. हमें यहीं से मिल गया. A few canonical, हमें पता चल गया हमारा आंसर plural होना चाहिए. Classes was not making sense, हमने examples रखा. Even if our dash of music, तो volume issue classes is not making sense, तो यहाँ पर मैं knowledge of music के लिए जाऊंगी. The knowledge of music is restricted. You've got all correct. Pewter is an attractive metal which has been used for the dash of household and other items. Pewter एक attractive metal है जिसे यूज किया गया है for the dash of household and other items in Britain since Roman times. For the prompted production ठीक लग रहा है, बाकी देख लेते हैं. Hardened distribution, soften, mixed, containing नहीं. For the production of household and other items in Britain since Roman times. It is an alloy. Alloy means mixed of two metals. जो दो मेटल से बना होता है. It is an alloy dash mostly of tin. Prompted, hardens, distribution, soften, mixed, containing, consisting. Mixed mostly of tin? Nahi. Consisting mostly of tin, which has been dashed with small amounts of other metals. Which has been, यहाँ पर आएगा mixed with small amounts of other metals such as copper, lead or antimony to dash it and make it more durable. Durable बनाने के लिए to harden it. To harden it and make it more durable.